Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after a pretty good soaking of about an inch of rainfall, give or take a quarter to a half an inch across the area. Drier conditions tonight, but we still have some of those misty sprinkles out there, courtesy of still an active subtropical jet stream. We got this upper low up here by Missouri, and until that axis gets a little bit further to the east, the clouds are going to be sticking around. So I think they stay around through tomorrow morning. All the precipitation moving off to the east. Unfortunately, we did not see that much rainfall in spite of the remnants of that East Pacific hurricane getting involved with this weather system. So good news there. No severe weather, just a good soaking. But you can see the stratiform clouds continue to back all the way back through eastern Texas. So that's a good 12 hours away from clearing out here. So we'll say morning clouds tomorrow, but afternoon sun expected. So here's the bigger picture across the Gulf of Mexico. Some storms still manifesting offshore, but things are quieting down and winds and seas will gradually abate in the offshore waters. Meanwhile, just to update you on what's happening in the tropics, we're going to get a new name system more than likely tomorrow or this weekend. If so, the name will be Oscar. National Hurricane Center giving it about a 90% chance of a subtropical or tropical storm developing out here, but we don't think it's going to be any concern to land. The low right here is going to move to the north, then maybe drift to the west before it gets intercepted by another frontal boundary. So we don't think it's going to be a major player out in the Atlantic basin, and we are shut down right now in the Gulf of Mexico. So good news there. So overnight tonight through tomorrow morning, I think I'd be showing more clouds here if I were the Futurecast model, but I'm not. But I'm going to tell you, there's probably going to be plenty of clouds at least through lunchtime, and then partly sunny skies for the latter part of the afternoon. Then as we head into tomorrow night, the skies clear out nicely, and we go into Saturday heading with mostly sunny skies. And after a cool start in the lower 50s, we'll see temperatures getting well into the 70s Saturday afternoon. Even warmer, possibly some 80s for Sunday as high pressure stays in charge and we start seeing a westerly wind. Here's the European model. So the next big weather pressure is, how is it going to be for Halloween? Well, next frontal boundary that's going to be coming in is going to be a slow mover. So we see a return flow, some clouds next Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, maybe some scattered showers out ahead of this frontal boundary. Both the European model and the GFS showing most storminess coming overnight, Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, and then setting up for perhaps another pretty good weekend to follow. And in fact, here's the latest GFS model run showing a quiet pattern through the weekend once again. There's that frontal trough showing up, but the GFS is holding back on the rain chances at least till after perhaps trick-or-treat time. Then a kind of a stormy night as we go into Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and the GFS also offering a pretty good weekend forecast for the weekend that follows. So got a good looking weekend this weekend, the following weekend looking good as well. Tonight temperatures dropping down into the upper 50s. I don't think we see low to mid 50s off to the north and west by morning because of the cloud cover, but we'll top out upper 60s to lower 70s tomorrow depending on what time the sun does come out. And then tomorrow night, that's going to be our coolest night for a few nights. We could see temperatures ranging upper 40s northern portions of Acadiana to lower 50s across the rest of Acadiana. And then going into Saturday afternoon, mid to upper 70s with lots of sunshine. Looks good whatever you have planned for this weekend. So lingering clouds out there. Again, a few sprinkles. Cooler temperatures overall. We should duck down into the upper 50s by morning. So tomorrow, clouds in the morning, but the sun returns for the afternoon, and we'll call it seasonably cool temperatures. Highs in the lower 70s. A nice way to finish the work and school week. Going into the weekend, outstanding weather. Looks good for all the events, including the Black Pot Festival, Raging Cajun game as well, although you'll need jackets and sweaters for the evening game. We'll talk more about that tomorrow. And then heading toward Halloween, maybe a few showers for trick-or-treat times, but hopefully treats, not tricks. And then a pretty high rain chance later that Wednesday night into early Thursday. Outside of that, not bad looking forecast.
I like this.
Not too bad. Only an inch of rain, and most of us could actually sleep through that precipitation last night. It wasn't too loud and noisy or severe.
All right, good to hear. Thanks, Rob.